Okay, hi. Today I'm going to review this RK100 keyboard. So actually there's a few modes, and then the power button is at the back over here. It's turn on and off. You see, now I turn off. Yeah, and then turn on. And then the other side there's another button to switch between Bluetooth and 2.4 Hz. So the Hz is over here. So currently I normally use Bluetooth for this, and then there's a few light over here. So the first one is the number lock, the padlock. Second light is the caps lock over here. Third one, the Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, the connector for USB, and the last one only light up when you're charging. It will turn red until you finish charging. It will light off. So there's quite a number of modes. So the button you need to press is this FN. There's a 3 mode for Bluetooth device: FN, QWE, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to pair it, you click FN and you press Q for a long time to pair for the first device, and then you hold for W second and this third. So for the short press is switching between 1, 2, 3. So if you press long something like this, hold for a few seconds, then it will be pairing mode. You can see it's pairing, searching for the Bluetooth device. So if you click FNA to go to this window mode to connect to Mac for S. So after that, yeah, I don't want it to go to pairing. So the color you can switch over here. FN. This one is the shape, I mean the pattern you want. There's quite a number of patterns. 1, 2, 3. You will keep changing the color. Those patterns that light your whole keyboard, it will consume more battery, and something running like this, it will use lesser battery. So it will not respond to your click. It will just keep repeating the same cycle. And then the third one, same. It will not respond. Some shape it will respond. This one, fourth. Fifth. 6. 7, 8. Yeah, you will not respond. I'm not sure like why. Okay. And this one. This one is some pulsing, I guess. Yeah, light. You will turn bright, then off. Yeah. This one. So for all this pattern, right? Yeah, this one you have respond on your clicks. So actually you can, every time you press it will come out different color. If you want to lock the color, you need to click this FN, delete. So it's for red color, only red. Press again, only yellow. Again, only green, blue. This is how you call this, turquoise. Yeah, purple. It works for all the pattern. Yeah. Let's say you want only one color, press this. FN delete for the color switch. FN print screen for the pattern. Yeah, you can see. This one I like it a lot, quite cool. Yeah, I think that's all. Back to just now. So another one, aside from the color, you can actually switch like how fast you want it to go. There's a 5-speed mode. So you press this and arrow to the right. You can see the speed. Yeah, faster. When it have a multiple color, meaning this is the fastest speed you can choose, and you reduce the speed again. Yeah, this one is the max, the slowest you can go. And up and down, FN up for brighter. This is the most bright, and FN down for darker color. Yeah, this is you turn off already. So these are label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think, yeah, perhaps you change the pattern so you can see it more clearly. For example, this one, we increase the speed. Something like this, right? Something like this. Yeah, this one is the fastest speed you can press. See? So if you want to reduce the speed, again FN. Okay, this speed number 4. You can see it's not fast like just now. And then reduce speed 3. Speed 2, the last one, first speed. You can see it lesser. So I think that's all. I already show all the function that this Bluetooth keyboard. Shape, FN print screen for the shape and patterns. Okay, FN delete for the color. There's a few color that depends what color you want. You can choose either multiple color RGB, or you can choose like single color. So speed if left and right. The arrow button, FN left and right. Up and down is the brightness. Okay, I think that's all for my review. So this keyboard, the battery life is quite good, and I will talk about the battery life in a separate video. Okay, thanks guys. Hi guys, so this keyboard I had used like around 1 month, over 1 month, and today I get my notification that my battery left 10%. I did not do a single charge since day 1 I purchased and used this, and today it showed my keyboard left 10%. So there is 2 modes. I think the 70% is my previous pairing, and then I remove the pairing and I repair again. So currently the connected one shows 10%. So my RGB is not on all the time, but whenever I click there's a RGB light up. So due to this, perhaps I use a lesser battery, and I believe if I turn it all the time, maybe I can get like 2 weeks, I guess. Perhaps I will turn it all time and do another review like how long it will last. So for the condition that once I click it light up and it takes 1 month to deplete. So if I did not turn on the RGB at all, I think it might last maybe 2 months, I guess. Yeah, let's see. I will, if you guys like this, or you can give me a comment, I will try an error for you, and I can try whether which mode you guys want to turn all the time, and I will do it and I give you the life the battery duration. Okay, thanks guys.
A few moments later.
Yeah, you can see the battery keep popping up, mention that 1% left. Yeah, it will this species will not show like less than 10%. I think this one the range is around 1% to 10%, then it will show 10%. So this is the notification I get after recording like a few minutes ago from the previous section. Okay, so currently I'm charging the keyboard, so it will be Type-C USB cable, and then when you're charging it, even you turn off the light, it still can be it still light up when you're charging. Like if I turn off the charging, right, and you see it will not turn on, so it will auto turn on your keyboard when you're doing the charging. So now I turn it on again, you can see the indicator in red, this one, so it's charging. So once you fully charge, it will be turned off. So let's see how long it takes to fully charge.